Allah tests different people with different trials because everyone has a different level of patience, tolerance, and faith. No one wants to support you at the start of your journey, but once they see your success, they all want to be friends again. Every new day is another chance to change your life. The wiser you get, the less you speak. Some talk to you in their free time and some free their time to talk to you. Learn the difference. Never judge people by their past. People learn, people change, people move on. Beauty is nothing if your tongue is ugly. Be the person who spread kindness in the times of darkness. Every morning you have two choices. Continue to sleep with your dreams or wake up and chase them. Sitting alone and enjoying your own company is better than being surrounded by fake people. Be patient, everything will come to you at the right moment. Forgive the fault when you are right, help the weak when you are strong, respect the old when you are young, because in life someday you will be wrong, weak, and old. Kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Try to make at least one person happy every day. That will give you inner peace. Always pray to have eyes that see the best, a heart that forgives the worst, a mind that forgets the bad, and a soul that never loses faith.